Welcome back. In the previous section, we noted that when a child class defines its own constructor, it overrides the parent's constructor, which prevents the initialization of inherited instance variables. The solution to this problem is the built-in function super. 1. What is the super function? The super function provides a way to access methods and properties of the parent class, even if they have been overridden in the child class. Its most common use is within the child's constructor to call the parent's constructor and ensure all inherited instance variables are properly initialized. 2. Calling the parent constructor. Here, the person class initializes name and age. The employee class needs its own constructor because it takes an extra argument, salary, to ensure name and age are initialized correctly. The employee constructor first calls super.double_init_name age. This delegates the initialization of common attributes to the parent, and then the child handles its own specific attributes like salary. 3. Testing the initialization. When we instantiate the employee object EMP, both the parent's and the child's constructors are executed in sequence, thanks to super. We can now access all attributes, name and age initialized by the parent, and salary initialized by the child. The object is completely and correctly initialized. 4. Calling overridden methods. The super function can also be used to call any other overridden method, not just the constructor. If the dog class overrides the animal.speak method, but still wants to execute the parent's general logic before or after its own specialized code, it can call super.speak inside its own speak method. This allows for both specialization and reuse. To summarize, super is your bridge to the parent class, ensuring that you reuse and initialize inherited components correctly. This concludes our module on inheritance. Polymorphism, meaning many forms, allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common type, often facilitated by duck typing. Join me in Lecture 19.01, Introduction. See you there.